Hey, you guys, welcome, welcome. What is going on? Are you hungry? It is winter time. We've had a pretty good winter, but listen, this is a wintertime great. Something that's uh, good and hearty and that coats your belly real good. Comfort food, if you will. Comfort food. Great northern beans, baby, but I'm going to do them in my Instapot. Okay, so I have a 16-ounce bag of Great Northern beans here. First things first, get your beans and rinse them. Rinse them really good. Make sure that you go through them and there are no hard rock-like beans in there or really dark ones, because Great Northerns they're white. So it should look white. Do you see that? White and pretty. Pretty, honey. Presentation is everything. Okay? So get them rinsed and then let them soak. After you clean them up, rinse them real good, pour that out, put a little more water in there, and let them soak overnight. I'll see y'all in a bit. We gotta go till tomorrow. Voila! Here are my beans, all pretty and white and ready to go. It's the next day, the next day, the next day. Here we go. So, got my beans. I poured the water off, gave them another little rinse, and here they are, like I said, pretty and white and ready to go. Now, exactly what do you add here? Exactly what do you add into these beans, Spiller Boy TV? I'll tell you. Boom. I had leftover ham bone. I had a ham not long ago that I had taken and I froze the bone. I've kept and froze my ham bone and a little bit of the ham there. That's what we're doing. A ham bone and some of the leftover ham that I had saved for just this occasion. Put that right on into the pot. Listen, you know I'm always throwing a pig party, baby. That's what I do. It is what it is. Ham bone, have you heard? Yes, indeed. Put that on in there. Now listen to me close on this part, you all. Listen to me close. A dash of seasoned salt. A dash of garlic. A dash of black pepper. And a dash of accent. When I say a dash, that's what I mean. Just a dash. Now keep in mind, I told you, this ham bone, this was already cooked and already seasoned. So you don't want to overdo it. So you don't want your beans to end up being salty. So when I say a dash, that's exactly what I mean, a dash. Okay, guys? All right. Now, what's next? A half a stick of butter. Put a half a stick of butter in there. I told you this is very simple. This is simple, but it's going to be so daggone good. Half a stick of butter, and then I'm going to chase this with the secret ingredient that's going to just pull it all together. Boom, 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 boom. Chicken broth. Chicken broth. What you want to do, you want to go just shy of the first line in your Instapot, which is like the halfway mark. Just shy of the first line. Chicken broth. Y'all know that wasn't a real big secret. You know, anytime you're cooking in the Instapot, you have to be using some form of liquid. Water or something. I'm a little too fancy for water. Okay? Just a little too fancy for water. Chicken broth. Chicken broth. And if I was using water, I'd be somewhere with a bouillon cube. I'm just a bit too fancy. Just a bit too fancy for water. Okay? All right. On to the Instapot, shall we? On to our Instapot, as I said, and we're getting ready to get down and get it popping. What we're going to do, okay, lid on and secured. with the dial set for pressure cooking. See that up there? Have the dial pressed all the way around. We come back around, and then we're going to get our setting together. We're going to go right into pressure cook. And I'm going to do 45 minutes. I'm going to do 45 minutes. And let it do what it do. On. You hear that sound? That's the sound of the man working on the beans, baby. That's what that is. Come on now. Are y'all hungry? All right. I'll see y'all in about 45 minutes. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Are you hungry? Listen, look, it's almost time. I wish you all were here. You could actually smell the goodness up through this joint. It's going down. It is going down up over here. We almost to the finish line. Oh, yes. 2 more minutes. And then once that's up, we're going to let the pressure do a natural release. Voila. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There you have it. Great Northerns with ham right in your Instant Pot. Perfect. Oh boy, can't wait to get into some of this. I wish you all could smell this. Let me show you what it looked like. Great Northerns with a piece of ham there. I'm telling you, this is the best winter food ever. Ever. You could pair this up with a roll. You could pair it up with some cornbread. Anything you like. Or you just do your beans with your ham over there and sit down and yummy, 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 yummy. Are you hungry? All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Listen, go clean up your Instapot. Don't let your Instapot sit and things not be clean. Clean up. Clean up. But a total of 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and a half to create this delectable dish. That is, whew, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, it really saves time. Really saves time. 45 minutes in the Instapot. Open it up. Stir. And add another 45 minutes. And good eatings. Good eatings. Greetings, greetings, and good eatings. All right, you guys. I'm out of here. I'll catch you all next time.